Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM5 isn't closing properly, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty closing mechanism or debris caught in the hinges. If left unresolved, it may lead to further problems, such as overheating or even permanent damage to the device. To get started on this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Begin by ensuring your Thermomix is unplugged. Carefully use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step, as you don't want to damage the casing. Once the cover is off, locate the closing mechanism, which is usually situated near the hinges. Inspect it for any visible damage or obstructions. If you see any debris, use the tweezers to gently remove it. If the mechanism appears broken, proceed to unscrew it with the Phillips screwdriver. Be sure to note the type of screws used and the force needed, as some may require a bit of extra effort to remove. As you disconnect any cables, take care not to pull too hard, as this could damage nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the faulty mechanism is removed, take your new replacement part and align it correctly before securing it with the screws. Make sure everything is tightened appropriately, but avoid over-tightening, which can lead to further issues. After replacing the mechanism, reconnect any cables you previously detached, ensuring they are secure. Now, it's time to replace the back cover. Gently press it back into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely closed. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and test the closing mechanism to ensure it operates smoothly. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, regularly clean the hinges and check for any debris that could obstruct the closure. Additionally, avoid forcing the lid shut, as this can damage the mechanism over time. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.